OnePlus is trying to jump on Samsung's folding phone hype. Stop it.
So they just tweeted it out, or it's on their Instagram. Look at that. It's coming out tomorrow.
No, it's not.
They're launching it tomorrow.
No.
Oh yeah.
No, stop it, Will.
Look.
Yeah, they're not launching. They're gonna say, hey, we can work on stuff. They're gonna.
It's a event.
Yeah, it's an early date. I don't know. I mean, maybe you're right.
Right at the same time of Samsung's event.
They're trying to obviously steal some thunder there, right? Mm-hmm. Like they're. That happens from time to time. There's a big announcement taking place, and then they're like, you know what?
Yeah, we could do stuff too.
Let's make some noise. Mm-hmm. Because now would be a good time. But it kind of looks like it's two phones glued together, though.
Right. Yeah, there's a seam.
No. Like what I mean to say is it looks like two individual displays. Because look at the background. It doesn't merge. The video isn't actually playing across both. Mm-hmm. So
yeah,
they're doing a dual screen phone. Which I've messed around with some of these things. Shout out to the guy in China one time that was like, hey man, I bought this ZTE dual screen phone because I saw it on your channel.
Oh, the burger joint guy.
The burger joint guy. I wonder if he still runs that place in Shenzhen. I wonder if he still runs that place.
Shout out.
He had some burgers though.
Yeah, they were good.
The man had some burgers. So I would assume he could still be there if he wanted to, because people are going to find burgers like that. Uh-huh. And shout out Scotty from Strange Parts, who was there with the chaperone and the backpack and whatever else he had going on, and take us to the electronics market, have the burger. There might have been a pint of beer involved.
Yeah,
and that guy had the ZTE. He ran a restaurant. He came up. He showed me. I did this because of you.
And he liked it.
And it was a dual display.
Yeah.
I don't know if he liked it or if he was like blaming me for something.
I heard he liked it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you there? Mm-hmm. Okay.
He showed me.
Oh.
On a separate occasion.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's true. He was saying that to anyone.
Anyone who would listen.
It was his story. Like, I saw this video, I bought this thing. Oh. There were probably a few pints of beer involved. Mm-hmm. I would guess.
Oh yeah, definitely me.
Might have been karaoke involved. I don't know what was going on, but the man had some burgers. Mm-hmm. It's the main takeaway.